Hey guys, got a video for you today on replacing the RAM in the HP Compaq nc8230. The nc8000, the nc8400, the nc6000, all of the HP Compaq business machines are essentially the same idea. Maybe a couple different screws here and there, but it's a pretty simple thing to do. So first thing we're going to want to do here is turn it over and eject the battery. You do not want to screw stuff up on the main board. While we're on the bottom with the battery pointing toward yourself, here's the first DIMM. It's called a DIMM. This is where RAM is inserted, or memory. A DIMM is essentially a bay where you can plug in a memory stick and gain more performance out of having more memory that Windows can use to open, run, launch, and utilize applications. I think this unit shipped with a gig. I've got 2 gig in it at the moment. It's DDR2 RAM, 667 megahertz, which is the standard at the moment. Make sure you don't buy SD RAM or DDR. Sorry. And this screw is having trouble coming out. There it is. So we open up that little door. There's your first bay. This one's easy to get to, right on the bottom. If you want to take it out, there's these 2 little clips here. Move it away from the memory, and it should pop up at about 45 degrees. I need 2 hands here. Yep, 30 degrees. Pull it straight out. This is a gig. I do not need to upgrade it, but line it all up like it was. Put it in at that angle, give it a push, and then push it right back down. Now, while we're on the bottom, there's 2 screws with a little picture of a keyboard. One here, and one there. Take both of them out. Easy enough. Flip it back over to the front. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Open it up. Up along the top row of the keyboard here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little clips. They're in between escape and F1, F4 and F5, F8 and F9, and F12 and the delete key. Pull those back towards the mouse pad, and now your keyboard can lift up and lay it down like this. Be very careful, you do not want to pull it out. Here's your DVD drive, here's your heat sink for the processor, CPU fan. CPU fan plugs in there. Your other RAM DIMM or module is under here. That's your CMOS battery, by the way. Your keyboard plugs in there. Well, to get in there, we've got to remove let's see, we've got to remove screw number 8, 6, 7, 5, 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove screws 4 through 8. Notice that screw 4 does not come out. It's spring-loaded, so it stays in there. I'm sorry, you do have to remove screw 3 as well, and that's the same case with number 4. However, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are black, and they are removed when taken out. Take care not to drop the screws on the system board. That could cause a couple issues. Now that those screws are undone, you should be able to lift it up like so and pull it right out of the machine. That's going to leave you with your graphics card, some other chips, and ooh, what's that? Look in the middle. There's your RAM. Pull these DIMMs out. They pull out the little clips. Pull it right out. There's your other DIMM module. Here's the RAM. This actually used to be in my ThinkPad. 1 gig DDR2, 667 megahertz. So, easy enough, right? I mean, a couple of screws, you have to be careful. Put a new one in, push it straight down. Then you can put your covers back on, screw all the screws in. So there you go. Simple enough. Thanks for watching. This was made by request. I hope this answers your question. If not, send me a personal message or re-comment on the video. Let me know how it worked. And I would recommend 2 gig in this unit. The BIOS, it only allows for 2 gigabytes to be used, 1 gigabyte in each module. A gig is decent for XP, but I would highly recommend 2 gig. The RAM is not very expensive. You can go get a gig. You can go get 1 or 2 1 gigabyte chips on the internet for about $35 at most. So if you know what you're looking for. But it's very simple. So thank you for watching.